Fresh update coming from the valley. There's been a terror attack reported in the Pooch district. Terrorists attacked police and army party. According to the reports, one police constable has been martyred in the attack. One police sub-inspector has been seriously injured. Fierce gunfighting is underway as we speak. Ashwini joining us to give us more detail. Ashwini, can you tell us how many terrorists are there, and also reports emerging that one terrorist could have entered mini secretariat also in the area?
Yeah, there is an encounter going on between the terrorists and the army and the police, and two to three terrorists are involved in the encounter, and two terrorists have been caught in the Nazir Hussein's house, that is a local resident there, and there are reports that one terrorist has gone into the mini secretariat of the district commissioner office, and they have entered. There is a fresh infiltration possibility, and the Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists are there. The way they are firing on the security forces, quick action team of the Indian Army, they have just cordoned the area, and one police constable, Sandeep Kumar, has killed, and the one sub-inspector of J&K police, Manzoor Ahmed, is seriously injured, and one more civilian is also injured in this encounter, and the army is saving the civilians area because the fire is going on and terrorists are attacking, so that more people can be killed there. But precautions are taken that they should be neutralized in a systematic way and clean operation. Yeah.
Okay, Ashwini, be with us. As you're telling us that one civilian could have also been injured in this attack. That's the fresh report coming in. Gaurav Sawant, India Today's executive editor, also joining us now. Gaurav, what are your sources telling you? How many terrorists could be in the area at the moment?
The initial information is of two terrorists. The firing is coming from two areas. But what is scary at this point of time, according to people, is one terrorist being inside a house, and others who could be around. So your security forces are saying they're moving forward with utmost caution, because there could be civilians who could also get injured in this. What we've been told is one constable was unfortunately martyred. There's a sub-inspector who is seriously injured. He may have to be airlifted to a hospital in either Jammu or Udhampur as soon as possible. But this is a new area that terrorists are scouting. This is happening south of Pir Panjal. This is an area which has by and large been very peaceful. There have been an occasional infiltration attempts, but south of Pir Panjal in Jammu, Poonch, Rajouri areas, these are very peaceful areas. But this is where terrorists are desperately trying to now hit, and that's a matter of concern, Devina.
So change of tactic from the terrorists is what we're seeing, Gaurav, and the way they've attacked the security forces convoy. Once again, the gunfight is underway. But what time did the gunfight start, and what are your sources telling you about how these terrorists attacked the convoy?
The information that came in seemed to indicate that they're looking for soft targets to strike. Army convoys repeatedly, security forces convoys are soft targets to strike. And, it's happened. We've seen 3 or 4 such instances in Kashmir. The same appears to be happening here. There is another bit of information that is coming in that talks about, terrorists looking for, whether schools or offices to strike, again, cause massive damage at low cost. But initial information just as yet, Devina.
Okay, thanks Gaurav and Ashwini for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you as more information trickles in on this dastardly attempt by the terrorists once again to disturb the normalcy that is restoring in Jammu and Kashmir region.